In this video, I will show you the best free AI video generator in 2024 that can do this.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. This is the video ending. Add your channel ID and use it as a video watermark.
So you can able to create these kind of videos, guys, for free using this software, guys. The name of the software is Vidnoise AI. Okay, remember to click the link down below in the description of this video to get an access with Vidnoise AI, guys. Okay, so what you can do actually here, guys, with Vidnoise AI, it comes with so many AI avatars that you can able to use. I'm just gonna click here to home. So when I click here to home, guys, okay, this software, guys, is so amazing. It comes with so many AI avatars with multiple languages, guys. Okay, not only English but with multiple languages, guys. Okay, you can also use these avatars for these videos for YouTube and also for social media platforms such as Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest Reels, or your TikTok, guys. Okay, as you can see that in this software there's 442 AI avatars, guys, okay, that you can able to get an access here with this tool, guys. Okay, you can also use these human spokesperson. Okay, you can also use them, guys, okay, to do the talking or to make your videos sounds like a human. Okay, and also you can able to clone your own voice, guys, with this software, guys. Okay, you can also able to clone your own voice with this software. You can just upload your voice here. You can able to clone it, guys. Okay, not only that, but as you can see that there are so many AI voices here. You can just click here to clone my voice. Okay, so what you can do, there are so many. If I'm just gonna let me just preview this one.
Vidnoise AI brings your idea to high quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So as you can see that, okay, it sounds good, guys. These voices, they don't sound like they don't sound like a robot at all. Okay, so what you can do, when you just click here to avatars, let me show you how you can create your own video, guys. Okay, using this software, I'm just gonna click here to avatars, mean that I can able to choose the avatars that I want to use, guys. Okay, you can just use talking photos, guys, okay, with this software. And also you can just you can also customize your own avatar based on your specific needs. But let's give it some time to load it up. Okay, let's give it some time. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here for HR. I'm just gonna click here. You can also preview it. It is very important that you preview it, guys. I'm just gonna click here to generate. You can also use for YouTube, guys.
AI brings your idea to high quality video.
Okay, I'm just gonna click here. You can also use it for YouTube. That's a landscape. For social media, use a portrait or square. I'm just gonna use for YouTube, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna click here to generate a video using this feature. So let's give it some time to load it up. So it may take too long, guys, because of the internet connection. Mine, it is too weak. I'm in South Africa, so if you have a fast internet connection, it may load like that very fast, guys. Okay, so what you can do actually here, guys, you can just delete the script. You can write anything, guys. And also you can also delete, guys. You can also delete the content here. You can also delete the content. This is the script that this avatar will be reading. You can also change the voiceover. You can also change the voiceover and choose some of these voiceovers that comes with this software. You can also if I click here, oops, I wanna go back. How do I go back, guys? I just wanna go back. So what you can do, you can also import your own. You can also use your own. You can also import your own voice. You can also import your own voice, guys. Okay, so if let's say that it is done, I'm just gonna click here to my creation. I'm just gonna click here to my creation because I just exited the page. So when it is done, I'm just gonna go here, guys, to my creation. It's gonna be showing me all of the AI videos that I created using this software. So what you can do, these are the ones that I created. Okay, I'm just gonna click here and preview here. This is the one. You can also tell it's gonna be downloaded here. Okay, you can just
AI avatars can significantly benefit your online business by enhancing customer engagement, improving user experience, and streamlining various aspects of your operations. Here are several reasons why incorporating AI avatars can be advantageous.
So as you can see, it is so easy to use this software, guys. Okay, so if you want to get access to this software, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to be able to create your own videos. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you sharp.